Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your new Samsung Watch FE 2025 is remarkably simple, right out of the box. As soon as you power it on for the first time, your watch will prompt you to begin the pairing process immediately. Just make sure your Samsung phone is nearby and has Bluetooth enabled. This initial step sets the foundation for a seamless integration with your digital life, ensuring you are ready to explore its innovative features in mere moments. The Galaxy Wearable app is your central hub for managing your watch FE, even if automatic pairing doesn't occur. Simply open the app on your Samsung phone and select your new watch FE from the list of available devices. You will then be guided through a few simple on-screen prompts to complete the connection process. This versatile application provides full control over your watch settings, from watch faces to notifications, ensuring a personalized experience. Granting necessary permissions ensures the full functionality of your new watch, allowing it to seamlessly integrate with your phone. Your device will request access for essential features like notifications, contacts, and calendar. These permissions are absolutely critical for your watch to sync data and display important alerts accurately. Take a moment to review each request carefully and grant access to enable a complete, personalized experience, making your watch truly smart. Keeping your watch software updated is crucial for optimal performance and accessing the newest features. Your watch might prompt for a software update immediately after connecting, which is completely normal. Always install any available updates to ensure you have the latest improvements and security enhancements. After this quick update, your watch will begin syncing all your personalized settings and data from your phone, making it uniquely yours and ready for action. Once your watch is successfully connected, take a moment to verify everything is working smoothly. Confirm the watch face is visible and the screen is responsive to your touches. Then, dive into the Galaxy Wearable app to customize your watch faces, adjust notification settings, and explore all the amazing features. Enjoy your new Samsung Watch FE 2025, designed to enhance your daily living with convenience and style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.